Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I am like so excited because today is Makeup Mondays. Yes, and until I finish the rest of the packages that I have, you guessed it, today is another unboxing, and I'm just like so excited about this. So yeah, got my scissors and here we go. So here goes the first flap, and yes, you guessed it, KKW Beauty again. And I'm just so excited because if you don't know, right now on KKWBeauty.com, like Kim has like so many new things. She has a new fire collection. She released the body shimmer collection and the body makeup collection, and she's coming out with the new 90s collection. So like, girl, there's like so many things, and like, yeah, just like good quality makeup and high pigmented formulas, and yes, it works. So yeah, I'm going to open the rest. So yeah, like, if this is your first time to my channel, this is how the boxes look when you order from KKW Beauty. It says it on the flap, and it has this like beautiful pink color inside the box. So that's like so beautiful, and I love that. And it comes like regular paper. So, and then this is how it looks. So yeah, this is how it looks. If you've never seen KKW Beauty packaging, or if you don't own any, this is how it looks. Beautiful packaging. So it comes in the box, and then it also comes sealed in this. And what I love about this packaging is like the color, it's so beautiful, right? And it's like zip locked, so it's like sealed tight, which is like really nice because like if you travel and stuff like that, I feel like this is just like so amazing just to like keep for traveling, for putting your like cosmetics inside. So yeah, I just love this packaging. And what this is, it is like one of the most controversial, how do I want to say this, controversial items from KKWBeauty.com. And when this came out, it was like just like such a uproar, and I just like myself, I watched like so many videos on YouTube about it. I literally sat there and I literally watched every single YouTube video as far as with this product that was being used by other women who were my complexion, a little bit lighter and a little bit more brown. I literally watched every single one, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is just like so much harsh critiques on like a simple product that is like, in my opinion, it was a good product. And then she released an updated version of the product. So like when it first came out, I had the original one because I had saw it in Allure magazine. So I had the original one, and then like I really like that. And then so she came out with it new and improved, and it like caused a whole frenzy on YouTube. And yeah, but like as far as like the beauty gurus who actually knew how to like use it, like I love their videos, and they were just like so amazing. And so like when I saw the new and improved version, I'm just like, if I have everything else KKW Beauty, I definitely have to get this too. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna open it. So yeah, this is my first time opening it. So should I read what it is first? I'm gonna read what it is first. Hold on one second. So it says, this right here is a KKW Beauty Cream Contour Highlight Kit, and I got it in the color light/medium. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's sealed tight. So I'm going to cut this open. Do you have to cut it, or could you tear it? Oh wow, okay, well I guess you can tear it open. I have scissors, so I'm gonna cut it open, but definitely it's easy to tear. So yeah, when I first had got the KKW Beauty contour stick, it was just like one stick and one color, and then she re-released it and it's like dual-sided, and it's highlight and contour. So yeah, like this is my first time with this particular item, and I didn't get the little brush that comes with it because I have a brush that I use for contour. So I was just like, I don't really want to get that because I know with myself I'm not really going to use it. But yeah, like this is how it looks. It says KKW Beauty right there, and it's dual side. So first I'm just going to pick, let's see. This is called light medium. So there's this side, and there's this side, and I'm going to twist it open. We'll twist it up. So I'm not going to twist it all the way up. So there and there. And it has this color. So this color is lighter, and this color is more brown. And this is in the color, I got this contour kit in the color light medium. So yeah, that's how that looks. So let me put this back on, twist this down, and let me open the other one. And then there's this one. So that's the medium color, and this is a light color because, again, this is for contour and highlight. So yeah, this is this side and this is this side. So this is a regular highlight with no shimmer, and then this is highlight with shimmer. So no shimmer and shimmer. And I'm going to put them right beside each other so you can see. So it's like this. It's like the browner side, and then the side, so it's contour, and then it's highlight with no shimmer, and then it's contour and highlight with shimmer. So this is how it looks. So they don't have a fragrance to it. I myself, I love this packaging because it's dual-sided, and so you can pick, like, not all the time may you want to use the deepest contour color, and not all the time for your makeup look would you actually want to use a shimmer in a highlight color. And when I had first saw girls using this on like line, I saw them using highlight for like all over their like forehead and like all over their cheeks and stuff, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, that is not what you use that for, honey. It's like, if you don't know, I'm not gonna do the demonstration in this video, but I will definitely do a full face of KKW Beauty, and I'll just do a video like that strictly shows how to contour and highlight. But like right here, contour is like, well, different people have different methods. Some girls like draw a circle on their head and make lines, and then some, like Kim, she makes a 3, so she goes like 1, 2, and like 3 for a contour, and then she goes 1, 2, and 3. So like right now I have contour, and it's right here, and it's right here, and it's like on my forehead. So that's contour. And then I also have on highlight, which is like, I have highlight like right here, and I have it right here. I have it right here as highlight. I have it right here, and then down the bridge of my nose I have highlight, and then I have highlight right here. Some people also put it right here. But yeah, so that's what highlight is for. And when I saw the other videos, I'm just like, of course they don't like the product because they're not using it right. Oh yeah, also with highlight, I forgot. How could I forget? You can also, where's the shimmer side? For highlight, you can also like literally go like this and like highlight right here under your brow bone. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but here. There. Highlight under the brow bone, and I'll just use my finger, and that's highlight. And I guess I'll do it to the other side because I did it to one side. And I'll use my finger, and that's highlight. So yeah, that's highlight and that's highlight. I'll do my Cupid's bow even though it's like really right there. So there, that's highlight. And yeah, it's up to the individual how to contour and highlight their makeup. Like, some girls don't contour and highlight, some girls are new to it, but definitely I feel like with this, as far as it being like these two being like dual-sided, I feel like for the makeup world this was just like a ingenious idea, because like if you want to take high photo fashion photographs, and or if you just want your makeup to be like snatched, and like if you are a person who likes for your face to like have that look, that's contour, then this is highlight, you know, and then contour under. And if you definitely like, maybe you're like a new mom, or you got, you know, happens to the best of us, and I have a little one, if you got a little extra little double chin or whatever, you can like contour under, and it just, you know, hides it for you. So yeah, like definitely I'm really liking this highlight. Yeah, see, that's highlight right here that I put, and right here. So yeah, like I really like contouring, highlighting. I've never used these, and it was not easy not to use them because I got KKW Beauty like almost everything that is like an essential item. So yeah, like I'm definitely gonna do full face KKW Beauty. I'm gonna do full face Glam Bible tutorial, and I'm going to do a full, should I do it? Yeah, a full Conceal Bake Brighten tutorial to like show if you're new to makeup, because I know like a lot of women are new to makeup, and especially like the 2019 version of makeup. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and tell me like if you're new to contouring or not, if it's something that you like, and thank you for watching.